All air conditioners heat and cool. But did you know Panasonic air conditioners also feature unique Nanoe X technology to purify the air and inhibit the impurities within a room? Did you know the average adult consumes 18 kilograms of air every day? 2.7 million Australians suffer from asthma, and both indoor and outdoor air pollutants can cause irritation. Combined, there are 2 to 5 times more pollution indoors than outdoors, and we spend on average 90% of our lives inside. Late in 2021, Panasonic commissioned research tells us that around 1 in 3 Australians aged 20 plus are now more concerned about air quality compared to 18 months ago. 61% of Australians believe air quality has a significant impact on their health. 3 in 5 Australians are concerned about the air quality in their own home. Around 1 in 2 Australians consider air cleanliness, purification, to be a very important factor when considering purchasing a new air conditioner. Reinforcing this concern, 1 in 2 Australians also consider removing viruses and bacteria from the air and surfaces, a very important factor when considering purchasing air purification technology. And in the workplace, this concern is palpable. 57% of Australians are concerned about air quality in the workplace. 57% of Australians are aware improved air quality can assist with mental alertness and productivity. Nanoe X is a unique air purification technology which effectively inhibits many common impurities, both in the air we breathe as well as on surfaces indoors, for a fresher, cleaner environment. Impurities include bacteria, viruses, mold, pollen, dust mite allergens, pet allergens, pollution, bushfire smoke, and common odours. Let's see how it all works. 1. A small electrode inside the air conditioner generates 4.8 trillion nanoparticles per second. A nanoparticle is a hydroxyl radical molecule encapsulated in water. 2. The air conditioner disperses these particles throughout the room. 3. The nanoparticles attach to airborne and surface-based pollutants. 4. The pollutants are neutralized, creating a fresher and cleaner environment. Because nanoparticles are distributed via the airflow in either heating, cooling, or independent fan mode from the air conditioner, this is highly effective in inhibiting all the impurities within a room, filling an average closed room in a very short time. This process actively inhibits odours and harmful pollutants such as mold, viruses, bacteria, pet allergens and more on surfaces as well as in the air. So for cleaner, fresher air all year round for your family and for better peace of mind in the workplace, install a Panasonic Nanoe X air conditioner. Choose a wall split for single room temperature control and air purification. Choose a multi-split or ducted system for whole-of-house temperature control and air purification. To find out more, visit panasonic-air.com.